A backpack vacuum speeds up restroom cleaning while cutting staff fatigue and improving cleaning coverage. A backpack vacuum lets a cleaner cover more ground faster because it frees both hands for tools and reduces the repeated bending and pulling motions that slow walk behind vacuums. Choose a model with adjustable harness padding and a chest or waist strap so weight sits on the hips and shoulders and not the lower back. Use high-efficiency particulate filters and a sealed system to trap fine dust and allergens. Change or wash filters on the manufacturer's schedule, and keep collection bags or canisters emptied at least when they are half full to avoid loss of suction. For tight spots around stalls and behind fixtures, use the crevice tool and a narrow extension wand, moving slowly to agitate trapped debris rather than blasting it and scattering dust. Train staff to route their cleaning so they move from highest to lowest elevation and from dry to potentially wet zones, so dry vacuuming is not contaminated. Never vacuum pooled water or visibly soiled floors. When storing, clip hoses and secure loose cords to avoid catch hazards and run a quick performance check before each shift to confirm suction and attachments are intact. Common mistakes include vacuuming wet or soiled floors, which can damage the motor and create cross-contamination, so always inspect surfaces first and use a wet vac or mop for liquids. Another issue is poor fit of the harness, which causes shoulder and lower back pain. Fix this by customizing straps, balancing weight with the hip belt, and limiting continuous wear to recommended durations with short breaks. Third is neglecting filter and bag maintenance, which reduces suction and spreads dust, so set a simple maintenance log and stick to it, replacing consumables on a calendar or usage basis. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find new work through project listings and profiles tailored to home improvement needs. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals share tips, ask questions, and discuss tools and techniques relevant to cleaning and maintenance.